welcome to our journey into the world of blockchain, brought to you by Liber Digital Agency. Today, we are starting with the basic. You have probably heard the word blockchain through a run, but what does it really mean? Imagine a system so secure that once something is added, it can never be changed. Everyone can see it. That is the beauty and power of blockchain. Let's break it down together. Firstly, let's separate the two words, block and chain. When we are discussing block, we are looking at things that are in a rectangular or a cubic forms. A blockchain is a secure digital base storing information. So let's say a block in blockchain is like a digital box where we store important information such as transactions and records. Once that box is filled of information, it gets locked up so no one can tamper with what is inside. For example, imagine you have a clear seal box where you and your friends put notes about who owns who a favor. Each note is placed inside the box, and once the box is filled, you lock it tight. This lock box is a block. It holds all the details safely. No one can open or change the note inside. Now, you start filling up a new box and the process continues. So you decide, okay, maybe you're at 3, okay, or you're even 2. We say that, okay, my man, we decide, maybe between Paul and John, we decide, okay, on today, let's get to an agreement. You owe me maybe $50 or I owe you $25. We thought it all was to write it on a paper as an evidence, and you write it on a page, that is your notepad, and I write mine on page as a notepad, and we'll create a box and place it in that box. As we place it in a box, we look for a lock and seal the box together. That means we lock the box and you don't have access to the box, but you know what is in the box. You can see what is in the box. It's a transparent or clear box. I don't have access to that box, but I know what is in that box, and I can see what is in that box because it's clear. It's written there. So if I come out, change my mind, I say, okay, I mean, what I have told you that I'm going to do, I'm unable to do it now. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to revoke my statement. It's impossible. On a blockchain, it's impossible. There is no way I will open that box. So if I want to change what I have been written, it means we can create a new box. And we'll create a new box. There's a connection. We need to connect the first box plus the second box together. So blockchain is transparent and also is trustworthy. As long as you place anything in a block on a blockchain, it cannot be changed, and everyone knows what is written in that box. So for you, you know, I put that I owe you $50 and you owe me $25. We already read that, we place it in the box, but we cannot change it. So even if it's 50,000 years comes, as long as someone go and see that particular box, they know what is written in that box. They that say cannot change it, but they will see the information that have been placed in the box. Since we know what a block is, then let's look at the word chain. A chain link the blocks together in order forming a strong, unchangeable records. Now we created the first box, but then now we come and say, okay, we want to create a second box. But then how can we get our connections? To obtain that connection from the first box to the second box, we link it with a chain. Because the chain will make it that it will be in a sequence or in an order that we want for it to be. We cannot pull it up. We cannot control it, but we only see the information that is in it, that link with the next one. So, when we're discussing chain in blockchain, we say a chain in blockchain is like a digital link that connects all the blocks together in a specified order. This chain keeps everything organized. and make sure that once a block is added, it cannot be moved or changed. The chain is what makes the entire blockchain secure and trustworthy. As long as you add a block to a blockchain and you change it, it cannot be moved, you cannot change it. The only thing you can do here is to create a new block. And as you create a new block on a particular blockchain that go with that link, it will connect. It will tell you, okay, there's the information. You say, imagine you have a series of blocks or a block where you store important information and you lock each box when it is filled. Maybe you have about 5 different boxes. They are all random, one on the side, one in north, one in east, one in west, right? And you want for it to be in your order. So what you do, you need a chain. And the chain will not chain one box that is in north and have the chain connected to east, connected to west, right? So you come, okay, you will place the first box and you try to chain it according to the second, the third, the fourth, going on in a sequence forms. So when you are chaining from going to from the origin going to east, it will go east. When you are chaining to go west, it will go west. But the key aspect is in your order form and is well organized. So now, to make sure these boxes stay in the right order, you tie them together with a chain. And the chain will not just be a weak chain, but a very strong chain because you don't want for anybody to tamper with that, right? A chain connects the boxes in the exact sequence they were filled. So everyone knows which box came first and what is at each one. Once a box is chained, it cannot be moved or tampered with, just like in blockchain. So after every 10 minutes, there's a new block is created. So we create a new block, and that block that is created in the block, there's a transaction that occurred that I send you $10, right? As though you receive that $10, you say, okay, but then Emmanuel sent the $10 to Paul. Paul has received the $10. The $10 stay in Paul control. Paul hasn't sent the $10 to any individual yet because it's changed there. So now, if Paul decides, okay, this $10 Emmanuel sent me, I'm going to send this $10 to John. You getting that? So every individual know that, okay, as long Paul make that transactions, okay, there's a new block that is created. And that block that is created is showing that, okay, there's link. The money that Emmanuel sent, the $10 that Emmanuel sent to Paul, Paul have taken that same $10 or have taken $10 and sent it to John. Everyone is there, but no one cannot change the $10 to $20. No one cannot change the $10 to $30. Blockchain is a decentralized technology. You don't control it. You don't add things to a blockchain and remove it. Anything that you place into the blockchain, as long as it's going to the blockchain, is there for life. How you getting what I'm saying? When you add these two words together, the block and a chain, we now form a blockchain. So a blockchain is a secure way to store information in blocks that are linked together. The individual one there is the block, the link there is the chain, right? That are linked together. So say, when we put together a block and a chain, we get a blockchain. In simple terms, a blockchain is a series of blocks that are linked together in a secure, unchangeable order. Each block holds important information, and once a block is filled, it locks. As long as the block is filled, as long as the transaction goes, block is filled, that block is locked. As long as it lock, any other blocks, any other transaction you try to do, or any other thing you want to do in the blockchain, you better create a new block. Each block holds important information, and once a block is full, it's locked and connected to the previous block with a chain. This chain ensures that all the blocks are in the correct sequence and that no one can change or remove any block once it is added. So the beauty of blockchain, you will not be worried that, oh, my information are placed on the blockchain, someone have taken it from there. How can I come and hack that? No, it's impossible because it's decentralized. As long as you use the blockchain, those that are connected to the blockchain, see the reality of blockchain. People that are on the blockchain with their individual computer referred to are node. So each of the node, they are not situated in a particular area. Like some is in Liberia, some is in Ghana, some is in Europe, America, and other countries, and things. They are all connected to that same blockchain. So it is possible that information that have been placed, let's assume, are entering the blockchain on the blockchain in Liberia and I place a particular information on that particular blockchain. Immediately I place that, all the various nodes understand that I have created a new block and this is the information that is in the block. So if somebody can hack my system now and try to take that information, or which is impossible, you have to do it, that information still remain on the blockchain. Because if you take my computer in which I give that information and that computer is damaged, you have the entire computer, the whole system damaged. When I get a new machine, I can go back on that same blockchain, I will see that same information. As long there's a one node that hold that information on that blockchain, it remain on that blockchain. That's the beauty. So it keep it for 1,000 years. No one can tamper with it. The information are all secure. That's the beauty of blockchain. That is the beauty of the new technology that is now taking over the world. The beauty is decentralized. No one can control that. If you found these explanations helpful, make sure to follow, like, and share it with your friends. Tomorrow we will dive into how blockchain actually works. So stay tuned and do not want to miss it. Thank you.